Hey team, James from Rock the Lugs. I want to discuss with you today the types of frames that are available in double glazed windows and doors. There are ultimately 4 different types of frames available. Those 4 frames are timber, aluminium, a combination of timber and aluminium in the one frame, and also uPVC, each with its own pros and cons. Let's ignore the glass, because the same glass can be installed in each frame. Let's just focus on the frames themselves. Timber is great for performance, but requires regular maintenance. Aluminium is a metal and therefore not great for energy efficiency, but it does not have to be maintained or looked after. Thermally broken aluminium will perform better than conventional aluminium frames. Timber and aluminium in one is great because it's the best of both worlds. The timber performs great and the aluminium doesn't have to be looked after. The timber also does not have to be maintained because it is not exposed to the elements. Lastly, we have uPVC, which is very new to Australia. It performs extremely well in relation to energy efficiency, and it never has to be maintained. It is also important to consider the company that you are dealing with. If a company only sells aluminium, they may be biased in their opinion on which frame is best. Speak to a company that has an objective point of view.